And good morning, gorgeous people. Oh, just the right temperature. Lovely coffee. Right, a bit of an update on the my blusher. People ask about that. When I do the full-on glamorous professional shoots, I use 4 different tones of powder to achieve the look. So this one's just a straightforward L'Oreal brown, could be any brown quite frankly. So all we're doing here is just laying a deep brown tone down to accentuate the cheeks. Now bear in mind I've already contoured with a foundation, so there's a dark tone at that point already. I'm going to put pictures and bits of description on this video as well. There we go. So that's stage 1. There's the brown. Now these products I'm just picking up from makeup shops. Some products I use that are specialty, like the Kryolan from the Kryolan paint sticks. These just straightforward blush powders. So you just pick what you think will suit your tone, your skin tone and appearance the best. So this is goes on top again. Now blusher brush, because at the moment that was just a straightforward flat brush just to apply and get it into position. Now blend is your friend. Here we go. Now as you can see, I'm using a bit of the excess on the brush to contour the side of my nose. You want to highlight some features and diminish others. Make yourself look so gloriously pretty. There you go. So sides of the nose, tip of the nose, and then blusher on the forehead, top of the forehead and temples. And blend it in really gently, and that's the one. Straight into the hairline. Don't want any join marks. Same blusher. Side of the neck. Along the jawline. Chin. There we go. Remember, just add bit by bit, slowly by slowly. It's once you put it on, it's on. Right, stage 3. So another blusher, but it's I would say it's an iridescent sort of brown. Again, we are just deepening up the depth of it all. There we go, that's nice. And the last one, Technique Mega Blush. So there's 4 different tones in there, a bit sparkly on this one, as you can see. But now it's a lighter one and you're going on the top. There you go. So now you can see a nice graduation all through the blusher. You don't really need to do the same with the contouring along the jawline and the neck. As long as you got the tone right first time round, that's fine. There you go. So that's that done. And then the only other thing that you've got to concern yourself with is that when you do the highlighter white under the eyes, don't destroy with the blusher, just use what's left on the brush to go back over it and blend it in with a highlighter white. I'll show you an end picture. So, wow, one take. So here we are again, slurping coffee. Oh, I need those caffeine molecules. Right, so blush is done, as we've seen before, and then I've done my highlighter white, of which this is not about. So onto a flat brush, because I really want to get a bit of density under the eyes. Get rid of those pesky bags. Sweep it, sweep it. Then you've got the sides here just under the blusher and above the jawline contouring. There you go. So, going back to what I said earlier, now the problem is that you've diminished some of the outline of your blusher. So whatever's left on the brush, you're just now blending in. There we go. Blend in, sweep it. Done. Well, all made up and done. As you can see, the blusher, absolutely perfect, blended in with the highlighter white under the eyes. Changed the eyebrows a little bit today, but I think one of the most on point makeups I've ever done on myself. Do like it. Absolutely love it. Hands are absolutely caked in makeup, so it's clean up time. Dirty girl. And I'll see you all soon.